Alright, in this tutorial we want to help you to set up your road sign documents. Select Create New. Select Print. Choose Letter. Adjust your units of measurement to be inches. Make sure it is portrait. 8.5 for the width, 11 for the height. Select Create. Now let's go ahead and draw our square. In your toolbar, select the rectangle tool. Since we are going to have an exact measurement, click once on the artboard to bring up the pop-up dialog box. Click the chain link on the right of the box. This means whatever you type in one measurement will be the exact same number for the other. The width and the height are linked, or they will be the same. So, for your width, type in 5.5. Notice how the height changes to match the width. Go ahead and select OK. Now let's align our square to the center of our artboard. Press V on the keyboard to switch to your selection tool. Make sure your square is selected. You should be able to see all the selection points. In your Properties panel, locate Align. Select the one that has a vertical line going through the center of two rectangles, the horizontal Align Center. Click on it. Because only the rectangle is selected, it will align its center along the horizontal axis to the center of the artboard. With the rectangle still selected, in your Properties panel, locate Align. This time, select the one that has a horizontal line going through the center of two rectangles, your vertical Align Center. Again, because only the rectangle is selected, it will align its center along the vertical axis to the center of the artboard. Very good. Now we want to rotate our square to form a diamond. With your square still selected, move your cursor to the outside of a corner point till you see the rotation icon appear. It's a curved angle with two arrowheads. Hold down the Shift key to constrain the rotation to 45-degree angles and rotate it clockwise one time to get a diamond shape. Now let's curve the corners. With your square still selected, click and drag one of the circles inside the corner point towards the middle of the diamond shape by 0.25. Now, if you find it difficult to drag the corner to that exact number or want to be more exact, with your rectangle selected, go to your Properties panel. Click the three dots in the lower right corner of the Transform panel for more options. Notice the corner icons. Notice the chain link in the middle. This indicates that whatever number we use for one corner will be applied to all. So verify or type in 0.25 in any corner, then click on another and you should see it applied to all of them. Or you could just hit Enter to commit. At this point, we want to go ahead and add a yellow color to our sign. In your color panel, make sure the fill is sitting on top. Now, with your diamond selected, go to Windows, scroll all the way down, and you may have to click the black arrow for this. Select Swatch Libraries, Color Books, Pantone Solid Coated. In the search bar, type 116. When the yellow Pantone comes up, again, make sure your fill is selected in the color panel. Click on the Pantone swatch to apply the yellow to the fill. In your color panel, select the stroke and change it to none. Now next we want to add an inner stroke. Make sure your diamond is selected. In your menu, select Edit, Copy. Now select Edit, Paste in Place. This places a copy of your sign directly on top of the other. In your color panel, make sure to click the stroke. Add a black color to it. Select the fill and change it to none. Remember, we are working on the copy that we pasted. Holding down the Alt and Shift keys on your keyboard, click and drag the right center point towards the center of the diamond till it says 5 for both the width and the height, as best you can. The Alt is allowing us to scale from the center while the Shift keeps everything constrained and proportional. Let go when you are done. Don't worry if you did not get it right, because to tighten it up, we could go to your Transform panel. In Transform, select the center reference point. For both the W and the H, type in the following: 6.8725. Next, in the Properties panel, come down and change the stroke weight to 3. Nice work. Now, since you are doing 4 road signs, let's go ahead and duplicate these artboards. Go ahead and switch to your selection tool by pressing V on the keyboard. Make sure to click on the artboard to deselect your shape. In your Properties panel, in Document, click Edit Artboards. Notice how your artboard is now selected. In your menu, go to Edit, Copy. This will copy the artboard and everything on it. Go to Edit, Paste. You now have an exact copy of your first artboard. Go ahead and do Edit, Paste 2 more times, so you have a total of 4. When you're done, in your menu bar, go to View, Fit All in Window to see all of your artboards at once. In your Control panel, select Exit to the right of the artboard. Now, in the Document portion, you can select the artboard you want to view or work on. Let's go ahead and save your file. In your menu, select File, Save As. Title it Last Name - Road Sign. For type, leave as AI. Select Save. Go ahead and leave the defaults that appear on the pop-up. Select OK. You are now ready to begin.